y'all. All right, y'all, tonight we're gonna make a traditional Deco mesh wreath. We are gonna do the method with only one roll of 10-inch mesh, mainly because I wanted to use this red and black because it matched, and poly burlap is expensive, y'all. So let's get all of this cut. We're gonna cut 8 of these at 18 inches. Y'all, now we need 20 10-inch. So y'all, we're gonna take 2 curls, not tight, leave them a little loose, cross them, and then put 2 curls all the way around the bottom. All right, so that is the bottom. Now on the top, y'all, we just do the ruffle. All right, so to do that, y'all, we just curl in 1 curl on each end and then crunch down the middle. And then we add that ruffle all the way around the top. Right, so that ruffle helps cover the gaps between the curls. Y'all, and how many you need depends on your frame. So this is a 15 to 24 inch frame. It has 10 twist ties on the bottom, 8 on the top. So 10 times 2 gave me my 20 cuts on the bottom, and then 8 cuts on the top. All right, where? All right, I'm gonna staple one of these all around the corner. All right, let's get them twisted. You know what? Let's add some glue around those staples to make sure they don't pop out. All our pipe cleaners down through the center. All right, now I'm gonna make sure that my sign, the 2 corners, meet up with these, right? These 2 twist ties. That way I have a place to secure a bow right below the sign. If you put it corner to corner, then you don't have a spot right here. So I always go right through the center and wrap it around the frame. Y'all, and the reason that I do it corner to corner is if I just secured these 2 first, then it would be really hard to adjust the sign a little bit. Like right now, if I needed this sign to come this way, I could take that 1 pipe cleaner and slightly pull on it to make it turn a little bit. So y'all, this is not going to be our typical wreath, right? So we're going to start with an 8-inch tail. About a 6-inch loop. All right, same thing going the other way. So y'all, this is a basic funky bow. All right, we're gonna get this slid off here. And tightened up. All right, we're gonna add this bow right down here. This one, y'all, we are gonna push those pipe cleaners through the mesh, pull it straight down, and then get it wrapped right around the frame. So we also knew that there were 10 twist ties around the bottom, right? So we're gonna use these 2 ribbons. All right, we're gonna need 5 of each, right? So every other one. And we're gonna add 1 to every twist tie around the bottom. So now around the top, we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got about 6 visible. So this one we're gonna do our 2. And we're just gonna start going around the top. All right, the next one, we're gonna do our red, but we're also gonna make a funky loop with this one. So just fold it in half, pinch it, and we're gonna add it with our ribbon tail. Y'all, this was just to give it a little bit more character on the top, right? All right, let's trim the tails on these bows. So on all the bows that don't have a center loop, we're gonna add a little bit of tubing. All right, so this is Deco tubing. It comes in a long bag. I like to cut mine about 36 inches. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3. Let's do 6. We'll even add some to the outside. All right, so tubing, y'all, just make a circle and give it a pinch. Let's get all of our stuff kind of pulled a little bit towards the outside so that our sign isn't hidden. Y'all, greenery, it changes the whole look. So I cut it off right at the stem, but look, y'all, we can't take this big old thing and shove it out of there. Like, that would be craziness, right? So we're gonna take each one of these and cut it down some more. A little bit of glue to the end. Then we're gonna put 1 little piece of greenery every once in a while right in there. And I'm just gonna go around the wreath, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, skip 1, and just keep going around in a zigzag pattern. All right, I have one more stem. So I think I'll add a little bit more to each of the bows, I think. All right, y'all, and then once that glue dries, I would come back in here and I would adjust all of my ribbon tails and make it exactly where I want it to lay. Y'all, and here's a little trick. If you have a stubborn ribbon, let's say like this ribbon right here, I want it to stay right here in this position. I would take a little dab of hot glue and I would put it right on the back of that ribbon, and then I would glue it right in that spot. All right, we're gonna push all of our pieces to the outside so our sign is showing. All right, there we go. That's it, y'all.